अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूवर्स, उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब खैर खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज एक नए कंटेंट के साथ आप लोग के सामने खुर्शीद कॉल सेंटर वाला हाजिर है। तो गाइस, आज की जो वीडियो है ये लीड जन पे है। जैसे आप लोग को पता है लाइव ट्रांसफर्स होती हैं कॉल सेंटर में, टेली मार्केटिंग में, तो इसी तरह एक लीड जन कैंपेन भी है। तो जिसको कॉल बैक्स कहते हैं, ये डॉक्टर या क्लाइंट्स की अपॉइंटमेंट सेट की जाती हैं। तो उसके बारे में आप लोग के साथ एक वीडियो शेयर करूंगा। तो जो कस्टमर आएगा, इट्स डायलिंग, इट्स मार्केटिंग। तो जो कस्टमर आएगा इंशाल्लाह उम्मीद है कि अच्छा कस्टमर आएगा जल्दी ही, और आपको कंप्लीट एक सेल की वीडियो दिखाएंगे कि लीड जन पे हम जो काम कर रहे हैं वो कैसे करते हैं। और ये ओक स्ट्रीट हेल्थ सेंटर मेडिकेयर की एक हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस है, उस पर हम काम कर रहे हैं। तो इंशाल्लाह आप लोग को साथ लेके चलते हैं। तो चलिए अल्लाह का नाम लेके बिस्मिल्लाह पढ़ के लॉगिन करते हैं और देखते हैं कि कस्टमर किस टाइप के आते हैं। ठीक है, इस तरफ आ जाओ, बैठ जाओ। तो ये आहद भाई भी मेरे साथ ही हैं जो आए हुए पेशावर से, आप लोग को बताया था। तो ही इज ट्रेनिंग राइट नाउ, वो ये ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हैं। तो इंशाल्लाह आप लोग को साथ दिखाते हैं। तो आहद भाई चलिए सेल करते हैं फिर आज। हेलो,
What are you doing? You're saying,
Samsung machine call. Hello.
Panchi, Panchi, Mary Panchi. Mary थी sir.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Edward. I'm calling from Go Medicare Plus on the recorded line. How are you?
Mary Chirpy.
That's good. Well, the reason of my call, I wanted to let you know about new type of doctor office in your neighborhood which caters to Medicare member and offers comprehensive primary care services. I can see here you are residing in Georgia. You do have Medicare Part A and B both. That's right.
Hello.
That's good. Good to hear about that. And are you familiar with OAK, Oak Street Health Center? Do you know about that, ma'am?
How are you doing today? Doing good?
No problem. I will let you know about that. By the way, how old are you, ma'am?
Just for a quality purpose. This is
What's
not a
your
medical
age?
call. This is not a medical call. Our company name is Go.
85. I'm so sorry, you are not qualified. 85 की कस्टमर थी guys. तो क्लाइंट की जो एज क्राइटेरिया है वो 64 से 65 से 80 तक है। तो और वो कस्टमर जिसके पास मेडिकेयर होगा, तो ये ओक स्ट्रीट की कैंपेन है जो लीड जन पे हम इस पे काम कर रहे हैं। तो कस्टमर की एज 65 टू 80 और कस्टमर के पास मेडिकेयर का होना लाजमी है। ठीक है, और कस्टमर की बाकी इंफॉर्मेशन कंफर्म करनी है और उसको ओक स्ट्रीट के अबाउट बताना है और उस पर उसका कंसर्ट लेना है, उसका ये ओके लेना है। और लास्ट में सारी इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करने के बाद उसको बोल देना है ओके, ओक स्ट्रीट रिप्रेजेंटेटिव विल बी कॉलिंग यू सून इन योर फ्री टाइम। दैट्स इट। और सेल मेड कर देनी है डिस्पोजिशन में जाके। तो चलिए, कोशिश जारी और सारी है हमारी। Yes, my name is Edward. I'm calling from Go Medicare Plus on a recorded line. How are you doing today? That's good, ma'am. Good to hear about that. Well, the reason of my call, I wanted to let you know about new type of doctor office in your neighborhood which caters to Medicare member and offers comprehensive primary care services. I can see here you are residing in Illinois. You do have Medicare Part A and B both. That's right, ma'am? You don't have any Medicare? Uh-huh. How old are you? You are 60. Oh, that's good. And are you familiar with OAK, Oak Street Health Center? Do you know about that? Oh, you go with Oak Street? Oh, that's good. Good to hear about that. Bye-bye. क्या किस्मत है यार, कस्टमर सुनने वाला आ गया तो वॉक स्ट्रीट के अंदर पड़ा हुआ है।
Yeah, hi. My name is Alex, and I'm calling you from
Friend Walker.
Hello,
It's Walker.
Walker.
Hello. Hey, hi. This is Edward. I'm calling from Go Medicare Plus on a recorded line. How are you?
Hello.
Well, the reason of my call, I wanted to let you know about new type of doctor office in your neighborhood which caters to Medicare member and offers comprehensive primary care services. I can see here you are residing in Alabama. You do have Medicare Part A and B both, right? That's good. And are you familiar with OAK, Oak Street Health Center? Do you know about that? Calling for Gold Medicare plus the 45. No problem. I will let you know about that. Do remember one thing, sir. I'm not asking to do anything with your Medicare. I'm not asking to buy or change anything for your Medicare. This is just an information call. And how old are you, sir? Yes, sir. I am calling you from Gold Medicare plus. Sorry? Okay, I'm speaking with Audrey Jr., right? That's good. And you are residing in Alabama. Your zip code is 36606. That's right, Audrey. That's good. So no problem, Audrey. Like you say before, you are not familiar with Oak Street. I will let you know about Oak Street. Oak Street is one of the great service provider in the healthcare industry and offer all the medical services under one roof. Their services include access to full range of medical services, including virtual and home visits, same day appointments at most locations, fitness classes, cooking classes, and other fun community room activities. And how you pronounce your first name is Josephus? How do you? Josephus, got it. Okay, got it. It's spelled like Josephus, right? Got it. And your last name is Audrey Jr. And you are residing in Alabama with zip code 36606. Your mailing address is 1207 Murray Hill Court, apartment C. That's right. What's your white? What's your mailing white? So 701. Luxury services include 1000 Allen Paul Place. Services including ritual. Okay. Okay, Parkway, Dalton Avenue, Parkway. Got it. That's good. I got it. So that's all the pretty much information I need to verify from your side. And if I am wrong, let me know. Like you're born in like January 1966, right? 1950, is that right? That's good. And if I am wrong, let me know. I have your email address, like your first name, Josephus Audrey 55 at gmail.com. That's right. What's your right email? So I just need to read up to your first and last name. You are residing in the state of Missouri. What's your zip code? Is josephusr3@gmail.com. That's right. That's good. So Joseph, that's all the pretty much information I need to verify from your side. As I told you before, this is just an information call. We are not asking to buy or change anything with your Medicare. We are not asking to do anything for your Medicare. This is just an information call. So let me tell you that Oak Street Health make it easy to switch doctors by handling all of the paperwork, including medical records, insurance, and prescription information. So, Mr. Junior, I just need to read a brief statement, and Oak Street representative shall be calling you soon in your free time, whenever you're free, and they will provide you more information regarding Oak Street, okay? So, Audrey, by speaking to a live representative from Go Medicare Plus and Oak Street Health, you agree to our privacy policy that you have recently updated and considered electronically to be contacted and twice as an insurance service provider to contact you, even if you are on a DNC list. And Audrey, you don't have to provide your consent as a condition of service. Okay, sir? Take care of yourself. Bye-bye. That's good. So that's all the pretty much information I need to verify from your side. And Oak Street representative shall be calling you soon in your free time. You have a good day. Take care of yourself, sir. Bye-bye. That's good. तो गाइस ये थी लीड जेन की सेल जो काफ़ी मेहनत के बाद मिल गई है। कस्टमर आज बिल्कुल नहीं सुन रहा। तो बाज़ जगहों पे ऐसा होता है कि कस्टमर के हमारे पास ईमेल आ रही होती है, तो हम उनको इंस्टेंट बताते हैं कि हमारे पास आपकी ये ईमेल आ रही है, तो ये ठीक है कि नहीं। तो कस्टमर अगर उस पर ओके बोलता है तो ठीक है, वरना फिर वो कहता है नो, तो लेट देम आस्क व्हाट इज़ योर राइट ईमेल एड्रेस। तो आपको ईमेल एड्रेस बता देगा, उसका मेलिंग एड्रेस, उसका जिप कोड, उसकी डेट ऑफ बर्थ, उसका लास्ट नेम, फर्स्ट नेम कंफर्म करवा के और ऑक स्ट्रीट की जो पिच है वो उसको बता के उसकी सर्विसेज आप उसको मेंशन करनी है, और फिर उसके बाद कॉल एंड अप करनी है और सेल हो जाती है। ये